when it comes to social media platform, what is the next important thing after creating your account? That is your profile. Because people recognize you with the help of your profile. And as I say always, that your profile should be same on all the social media platforms, because the people who recognize you on Instagram, they should be able to recognize you on Quora or maybe Facebook or any other platforms. So to get identified, keep your profile image same on all the social media platforms. So now let us understand how to optimize your profile. So firstly, I'm on the home page of myquora.com, that is on the Quora platform. Now what will I do? Can you see this icon here? Click on this icon and click on your name, that is Big Wing for now. And then you would be redirected to this page. Okay, that is a Big Wing profile page. Firstly, what you need to do is your profile image. So click on this pen and select the required, whichever image you want, select that image and click on upload. Then it would be uploaded. The next thing is, if you want to edit this name, for example, if I want to edit this name, then I can edit it. That is Big Wing. Once it is done, click on done. Add profile credentials. For example, 15 years as college administration officer. No, I'm going to write online learning platform. Okay, so this is what I'm going to add. Click on save. Successfully added a credential. Write a description about yourself. Okay, for example, we offer courses related to digital marketing, we can use comma, just a spelling mistake. Okay, we can use a comma, or you can just use in hyphen. Digital marketing, data science, then comes Android development, just a mistake, Android development. Then we can add digital marketing, data science, Android development, coding. For example, I can add either coding or Python and all those languages. For now, I'll just add we offer courses related to digital marketing, data science, Android development, coding. Okay. To refer, click on the link below. I'll right click with caps lock, in caps lock. Click on the link below. Okay, this is what I can give, and below that I can give my link. For example, let us go to youtube.com, and let me add visionary classes. Okay, Big Wing is a business. It is a name created to teach you guys for letters. Okay, so let me choose my. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. So I'll just take this, I'll copy this, I'll add it here. Okay, done. Then I'll click on we offer courses related to digital marketing, data science, Android development, coding, and many other things. Data science and all other things. So I have added the link also. Then I'll click on update. Okay, so it has been done. So you can share it. Once I click on this, it would be redirected to my Vijni classes digital marketing and IT training page. So let us go back to our page. Okay, so in this way you can add, see, first thing when it comes to profile, it is a profile image, then the name, then online learning platform. I don't want it to be big wing. I'll just add here big wing. Let me see, will they allow us to add this? Without this, done. Why not? Okay, it will take, yeah, big wing. Then the online learning platform, we offer courses related to digital marketing, data science, Android development, coding, whatever you are into. You are an expert in digital marketing, you're an expert in Google ads, and you're expert in search engine optimization. Whatever you're expert in, you can write it down in the description. Here a small description about you. Then this is what calls as profile optimization. So profile, you have given 0 answers, 0 questions, shares, posts, followers, following, see the people following, and more. So this is all the information that you can see on your profile. So this is how you can just optimize a profile by adding an image, your name, a description, and so on. So now it's your time, guys, to create your profile, to optimize a profile in the following ways.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.